Hello friends, in this video we are going to see gate problem from the topic hydraulic machines. Let's start. As per the given question in GATE 2004 Mechanical Engineering, question was 60 for 2 marks. At a hydroelectric power plant site, available head and flow rate are 24.5 meter and 10.1 meter cube per second respectively. If the turbine to be installed is required to run at 4 RPS revolutions per second with an overall efficiency of 90%. The suitable type of turbine for this site is option A Francis turbine, option B Kaplan, C is Pelton and D is Propeller. So first of all, write down the given data to solve this question. So given data is your head is given, available head H is equal to 24.5 meter and flow rate discharge Q is equal to 10.1 meter cube per second. Small n is given, that is 4 RPS revolutions per second. Overall efficiency is equal to 90%. Eta not equal to 90%. So first of all, from this particular given data, we can find the value of power, including the efficiency. Power is equal to rho g q into h multiplied by the efficiency term. So this is hydroelectric power, so density will be your 1000 into G is your 9.81 into discharge, which is given 10.1 into H value, H is your 24.5 meter multiplied by the efficiency overall 90% is 0.9. So from this equation we are getting the value of power is equal to 2184.7 kilowatt. So first you will be getting in watt, then convert into kilowatt. It is coming equal to 2184.7 kilowatt. Then we know the formula of NS, specific speed. NS is equal to N root under P. NS we are going to write down for the turbine because turbine is given here. N root under P divided by H to the power of 5 by 4. Correct. This is the formula for the specific speed in case of turbine. So small n is given 4. So capital N RPM will be your 4 into 60. That is 240. So 240 into root under P. Power is your 2184.7. This power is written in kilowatt only. Divided by H. Head is given 24.5 to the power of 5 by 4. After simplification, we are getting the value of NS equal to 205.80. Correct. So which turbine is suitable for this NS? So we know that if your NS is ranging between 51 to 255, correct, then in this case the suitable turbine is your Francis turbine. Suitable turbine is your Francis turbine for the specific speed ranging between 51 to 255. Okay, so the correct answer is A, Francis turbine. Okay, thank you.